achieved when you believe. Hold your skills, be a winner. Do your best, 'cause skills matter. And there's no pain, there's no gain. The waste of time, always drain. Build a future, be a leader. Do your best, 'cause skills matter. Skills matter. Come on, be a winner. Come on, be tougher. Come on, be a leader. Come on, 'cause skills matter. Skills matter. Skills matter. Skills matter. Skills matter. From clothing to passion and art, do what you love, do it from my heart. From engineer to bartender, do your best, 'cause skills matter. And there's no pain, there's no gain. The waste of time, always drain. Build a future, be a leader. Do your best, 'cause skills matter. Skills matter. Be a winner. Come on, be tougher. Come on. Be tougher.
Good day, everyone. I am Alexei Novikov, the Director for International Business Development and in charge of the international expansion for 1C Company. 1C Skills Camp has been a vital startup to bring the 1C enterprise platform to students and educational institutions, to beginner and professional developers, and to all types of industries around the globe. Challenges will always be a part of learning. It is through challenges that we always get better and improve. That is very much true at our event. Our third edition is a reflection of the importance of overcoming hardships to achieve success. Success is easier to achieve when you have somebody or an instrument to help you achieve your goals. Another objective of the 1C Skills Camp is to establish partnerships. Through connections, we will be able to achieve a common goal. Companies will be able to effortlessly develop systems, while educational institutions will be able to easily produce developers. And the systems and developers are significant solutions that will improve our lives. As our theme goes, learn, develop, and improve the world. Achieving goals is like creating solutions. It is important to have a tool or platform like 1C Enterprise that will enable us to easily create solutions, whether they be cloud, desktop, or mobile. And the simplest way to create solutions and achieve our goals is via our 1C Skills Camp. To our participants, mentors, experts, organizers, and partners, congratulations to us all on the success of 1C Skills Camp 3rd edition. And so, I would like to formally welcome everyone to our awarding ceremony. Thank you, and please enjoy the whole program.
Hello Africa, Americas, Asia, Europe, and hello IT World. This is hashtag the Camp Finale, the 1C Skills Camp 3rd edition awarding and closing program. First and foremost, we would like to thank our participants, mentors, experts, partners, and organizers for all their efforts and commitment throughout the entire 1C Skills Camp 3rd edition. And thank you as well to all our supporters from start to finish. In this edition, we managed to have more than 2,000 registrants. And in our finale, we are down to 9 participants. In just a few moments, we will get to know our 1C Skills Camp champions.
For our program highlights, first, we'll give you a glimpse of the presentations of our final 9. Next, we have the final task analysis by our chief mentor and course developer. And finally, our 1C Skills Camp project manager will be announcing our winners in this edition.
Before we proceed with our program, let's have a quick backtrack on our 1C Skills Camp. 1C Skills Camp is a series of free trainings and skills competitions for IT students and professional developers. The participants will be honed as full-stack 1C developers and will enjoy cash prizes, international internships, and job opportunities, and participate in international skills competitions. 1C Skills Camp features 1C Enterprise Platform, a low-code platform for rapid development of cloud, desktop, and mobile applications. Challenge yourself with a real-world business task. So good day everyone and welcome to hashtag Road to the Finals, the 1C Skills Camp 3rd edition final presentations. So for the project overview, so the application itself is an educational platform for universities and colleges. Students will use it to monitor their schedule, communicate with other app users, review completed lessons, receive homework tasks, and track their study progress. While for our assessment, so the project will be marked through its roles and user interface or the application appearance, then to be followed by the application features, and then finally with the documentation. Okay, so for our schedule today, so we'll be having myself as an expert together with Mr. Ali Eid Mansour. So he's a world skills expert and also an organizer of 1C Skills Camp. We also have Alexandra. So she's our resident 1C Skills Camp mentor. And we also have Nikolai as our interpreter and Roberto as the mentor of our participant. So our participant is Anya Castillo from Colombia. So Anya, you may now start with your presentation. Good luck.
Thank you. So I start with the application, is it? Yeah.
Yes, please. Good luck, Anya.
Thank you.
Good day, everyone. And welcome to hashtag Road to the Finals, the 1C Skills Camp 3rd edition final presentations. Okay, so before we start with the presentation, so let's first have a preview of the project. So the application itself is an educational platform for universities and colleges. So students will use it to monitor their schedules, communicate with other app users, review completed lessons, receive homework tasks, and track their study progress. While for our assessment, so our participant will be marked based on the roles and user interface on the project, the application features, and the documentation. I will also like to introduce our panel of experts. So we have Mr. Eugene Lushenko, our 1C Skills Camp project manager. We have Mikhail, our 1C developer and mentor from 1C Vietnam. And also we have Mr. Ruslan Edukov, our mentor since the first edition of 1C Skills Camp. And of course, our participant. So we have from the professional category, we have Nguyen Van Duy from Vietnam. So Mr. Nguyen Van Duy, you may now begin with your presentation.
Yes, okay. Yes, hello everyone, I'm Duy from Vietnam, and now I will present my project in final test. Can I share screen? Okay.
Let's see. Good luck, Nguyen Van Duy. briefly share your experience in 1C Skills Camp?
Okay, that's the great one. I love 1C Enterprise. It's very good application. I mean, a platform for persons like me. I'm a civil engineer. I didn't have any experience with programming languages, with any of it. So, but I have a dream to create something new using technology. So, this platform is very good. I love it. I recommended it, and even I have a passion to teach for more Ethiopians and more Africans. So it's good experience for me.
Thank you very much. Maybe you could be our future mentor in Ethiopia.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And it's quite a surprise that you're a civil engineer. I thought you're a graphic artist because of the video presentations and all.
Okay.
Yeah. But okay, so thank you once again, Biruk. Thank you for the great job. Okay, so good luck on the results.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Here is the prize pool for both students and professional categories in 1C Skills Camp 3rd edition. For the cash prize, we have $300 for the 3rd place, $500 for the 2nd place, and $1,000 for the 1st place. Aside from the cash prize, everyone who made it to the finals will receive a 1C Skills Camp 3rd edition certificate.
We have managed to proudly produce 7 finalists of our final stage. They are from Colombia, Costa Rica, Salvador, Morocco, Vietnam, Mongolia, and Ethiopia.
Let us now proceed with the most important part of the program. To announce the champions, please give a warm welcome to our 1C Skills Camp Project Manager, Mr. Eugene Leshenko from 1C Company.
Greetings, dear participants and partners. First of all, I would like to congratulate you on the end of the long marathon called 1C Skills Camp 2022. It was not easy, but I hope it is very interesting and challenging for all of us. We start in April 2022 with 300 participants in the first step course, and only 9 participants were able to present their final projects in this February. And finally, who took the first, second, and third place? I will not drag you any longer and proceed to the announcements of the winner. So, in the student category, third place went to Anna Mariori Martinez from Salvador. Total score for final project is 198. Second place went to German Felipe Fuentes Martinez from Colombia. Total score is 212. And finally, the first place, Anya Sainz Castillo from Colombia. Total score is 248. Well done, our congratulations! This year, all prizes among students went to Latin America, and this is a great success and progress of this region. And we are very pleased with this event. You all have done a great job. And I also congratulate the mentors of our champions, Roberta Guerrera and Alexandra Karabitsina. Thank you for your contribution to the preparation of our champions. And now we turn to the announcements of winners among professionals. Third place went to Nguyen Van Duy from Vietnam. Total score for final project is 114. Second place went to Anna Dementieva from Mongolia. Total score is 161. And finally, the first place, Biruk Ali Maehu from Ethiopia. Total score is 259. And I also congratulate the mentors of our champions, Ruslan Edakov, Alexander Biryukov, and Ricardo Enriquez. I congratulate our champions and remind you about our prizes for winners. $300 for the third place, $500 for the second place, and $1,000 for the first place. Also, we expect that you will be able to apply the knowledge gained on the 1C platform not only in your studies but also in your future career. In the near future, we will contact our finalists and winners among students according to the term of the internship in 1C partner companies. Well, those who did not make it to the finals but want to try your strengths at the next camp, please follow our news. It will be more interesting. Stay with us. I wish everything, health, personal development, and success in your future career with 1C. Good luck!
So, that's the overview of our 1C Skills Camp 3rd edition, and to give us a deeper understanding and analysis of the final task. Here is our Chief Mentor and Course Developer, Tony from 1C Company.
Hello there, it's Tony again, a Chief Mentor and Course Developer in our Skills Camp. Just a little reminder. So, we have finally made it. Congratulations! Now, I have a little discussion with you about the best two solutions of our victors in our skills camp of Mr. Baruch and Miss Anna Saenza. So I want to share you their works, their best pieces of code and best solutions in their final project. Okay, so let's start with Mr. Baruch work. As you remember, we have a little task that if we want to change the schedule for a day, the schedule has to be uploaded. When we select the correct date, we have to see the uploaded schedule to the schedule for day document. Okay, that is how Mr. Baruch performed that. So, of course, first of all, using the query, he checks if a schedule for this date and group is available for the selected data. After that, if it is available, if the selection is not empty, he actually fills the day schedule document with the data from the selection. Okay, sounds easy. After that, the second thing I wanted to share with you is how he worked with the document lesson and how he checked if the lesson is available in the schedule. There were two solutions I've seen in all of your works. The first solution was to automatically create the new lesson document using code when you create the same lesson in schedule. This solution is very dangerous because if you change the schedule, for example, you delete some lesson, the lesson document won't be deleted if you do not implement such a functionality. So maybe the best way is to make a simple check. Of course, again, we have a query. We have the date and the subject. That's how we find the lesson. And if of course it is not found. We just message that no schedule for this subject, for this date. That's pretty easy. And the last thing from Mr. Baruch's work I wanted to share with you is to filling the students table in the lesson document. It's pretty easy. Again, we have a query. Yeah. Again, we select all the students from the selected group, and after that we just fill the table. It is easy. As you can see, the same mechanism works for all of three tasks. We create a query, we search something in the database, then we just show it using the form and the predefined tables. Okay, the next work I like to share with you some masterpiece of interface by Anna Science. Here it is. It is simple, okay, but we actually have everything we need. One of the best solution I have not sadly seen in many works is that for example let me show you. Yeah, this little panel for faster navigation. Okay, we have these beautiful pictures, we have all the buttons we need, we have the schedules, for professors. That is a good piece of interface. Of course, we could work with styles, with maybe with the end product, but for now it is very good, and it's okay, right? And the last thing from Anna Science work, actually, just maybe none of you except her has dealt with the testing task. You have just to test your application and show it to me. How it can be done? You just create a document, you fill it with data, you post it, and you show the result. This is the functional testing. You change the input data, you change the dates if you have some worries about the because of different dates the document can work incorrectly. You check it, okay? You check your work, you test your work. This is what does the functional testing means. So instead of creating a very big report of your tests, I've seen these little video clips, okay, that she sent me, and I like them. Yeah, I can see her work. For example, here she just shows me how to enter the application. She has a little error, okay, and then she shows me how she's working with the documents. She shows the ready to go document, she posts it again, and it works. Yeah, it's easy. It could be done in a little better way. For example, more data could be shown, okay, all the changes were shown. Here we go. Of course, the best way to test your application is to describe what test are you going to perform with your application, and then show the input data and output data. That's it. That's what I wanted to see. I wanted you to test your application before you're sending it to review. But anyway, these were two works of our victors, and I'm very glad our skills camp is over, and we have our victors, and So I'm very happy. Good luck to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you for tuning in.
This has been hashtag the Camp Finale.
The 1C Skills Camp 3rd Edition Awarding and Closing Program.
See you at the next edition of 1C Skills Camp.